In today's manufacturing landscape, businesses worldwide face relentless challenges: supply chain disruptions, rising costs, and the constant pressure to deliver more with less. Manual processes and disconnected systems slow innovation and leave organizations vulnerable to global competition. How do you keep your operations agile, your teams empowered, and your customers satisfied, while remaining profitable and ready for what's next? Meet SAP Cloud ERP Public as part of Grow, a ready-to-run, multi-tenant SaaS ERP designed for manufacturers seeking to lead the next wave of industry transformation. With embedded AI and automation, SAP Cloud ERP Public delivers real-time visibility, streamlines your operations, and empowers you to make faster, data-driven decisions. Imagine predicting equipment failures before they happen, optimizing inventory at every location, and responding to market shifts instantly. Manufacturers globally are already seeing real results: 10–20% improvement in capacity utilization, up to 50% reduction in production lead times, 15% decrease in overhead costs. With eStrategy International, your trusted SAP Silver Partner, you gain expert guidance and a proven path to digital transformation. Ready to future-proof your manufacturing business? Book your personalized SAP Cloud ERP Public demo with eStrategy International today. Lead with confidence. Transform with SAP Cloud ERP Public.